So whenever you're multiplying a decimal and a whole number, just multiply it as if you are multiplying two whole numbers. So let's say we have 0.008 times 3. So you will write your numbers one on top of the other. This is to make it easy when you are multiplying. Then you start multiplying from right going to the left. So you multiply 3, the number at the bottom, times everything on top. 3 times 8. 3 times 8 is 24. But we cannot write our 24 down here like this. You put down the last digit and then carry the first digit. So the last digit is 4 and the first digit is 2. So I'm going to put down 4 here and carry over the 2 to the next digit or going to the left. Next we do 3 times 0. Any number you multiply by 0 will give you 0. 3 times 0 is 0 plus the number that we carried, the 2. 0 plus 2 will give you 2. So we put our 2 down here. But we are not done multiplying all the digits on top, so we go ahead and multiply the next digit. 3 times this 0, which is going to be 0, and then 3 times the last 0, which is also going to be 0. And then on your answer now, you count on the original question that you had, how many numbers or how many digits are after the decimal point. So we had 1, 2, 3 digits after the decimal point. So in our answer, we also need to have 3 digits after the decimal point. So you start counting from right going to left and you count 3 digits and put your decimal point. So 1, 2, 3. We put our decimal point here. So our answer is going to be 0.024. Thank you so much for watching, guys.